At around 11:00 p.m. on December 6, 2016, a man named Julio Perez went with his friend to a convenience store a couple of blocks away from his house. According to what he shared online 2 days later, his friend had been afraid to go by herself because the store parking lot was known to be unsafe after dark. After spending some time at the store and buying dinner at Carl's Jr., Julio said goodbye to his friend and pulled out of the parking lot. However, just a few seconds later, a red car was seen pulling out of the same parking lot and starting to follow him on his way home. Disturbingly, as soon as Julio arrived at a stop sign, the red Chrysler pulled up right in front of him, blocking his path.
So, hit me up tomorrow then. Later. Please.
Given the circumstances, Julio reacted much quicker than most people would. As soon as he saw someone about to get out of the red car, he put his car in reverse and skillfully backed away. Unfortunately for him, the driver of the red car refused to give up so easily and continued to follow closely.
It is, man. Wait for me. Man, what you doing, dude?
At one point during the chase, the attackers threw an unidentified object at Julio's car in an effort to get him to stop. This is when he decided to call 911 for help.
911. Hey, man.
911 emergency.
Hey, there's a car following me. He's throwing at me. I'm on Lomas going eastbound, and he's I don't know what he's doing, man.
Okay, Lomas, and what's the closest cross street to
Right
you?
now, San Pedro. It's a red light. Holy sh**. I mean, they're I don't know what they're trying to do, man. Oh my God, man.
You see what it looks like?
It's a red Chrysler 300. Holy cow.
Are they still throwing things?
They're just right behind me. I don't know what they're doing, man.
Although the 911 operator was likely dispatching units as they spoke, it would have probably taken the officers at least a few minutes to arrive, which would have been extremely dangerous for Julio. Luckily, as he's on the phone with the dispatcher, he spots a car stopped at a traffic light and pleads for help.
They're right behind me. I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh, there's a cop right next to me. This guy right behind me. Hold on. Hey, this guy right
Are you
here.
still there?
This guy right here. Holy. The cops are going
Is
after
the
him right
officer
now.
there with you?
No, he just went on a high-speed car chase. Holy cow.
Okay, hang on with me. Hang on.
I'm with I just followed a police officer right now. I'm not sure what the hell just happened, man. How you doing, man? I'm with the 911 operator right now. Listen, I don't know what happened. I pulled out. I was gonna go get some food right there on Central, and then all of a sudden this car just pulled up right in front of me. I thought they were gonna carjack me or something, man.
Okay.
and they started to get out. I put it in reverse, and I just got the hell up out of there and went down towards San Pedro and Central.
Did you get a plate number? I wasn't able to get.
Man, I was. Hell
That's
no.
okay. That's fine. Like I said,
I got it on camera though, bro.
Do you have it on camera?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the suspect managed to get away from the officer during the high-speed chase, and it was never confirmed what his intentions were that night. However, judging by his behavior, it's more than likely that this was an attempted carjacking. Had the officer not been at the right place at the right time, Julio would have had to stop at the red light alone and would have been at the mercy of the attacker. Because neither the officer nor Julio could get the red Chrysler's license plate, the Albuquerque Police Department couldn't pursue the matter any further. This means the suspect probably continued preying on other victims on the road.